Okay guys, in this video I don't feel good. I don't have the flu. I got a common cold. I got checked out, so I got a common cold, and that's good. So I'm going to be making sorry, my head hurts. I'm going to be making chicken noodle soup in my crock pot because I honestly cannot stand there and make chicken noodle soup all day long today, like in the pot. Like I can't do it. So I'm going to be showing you guys my easy step-by-step way on what I do and how I make my chicken noodle soup inside of my crock pot. My pinky nail broke. The only one that came off. I don't know if I'm gonna fix it or not. Maybe I should before Thanksgiving. I don't know. But yeah, okay. I'm gonna show you all of my ingredients, and then I'm gonna show you what I do and how I add it into my crock pot and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Through all the days and seasons, there's no place like home. Sharing our story, one day at a time for you to see. Walk through a new world, where every memory is gold. Come break up our sleep, hope you're ready to see. Join us for the fun before the whole day is done.
I start by cutting up my chicken, and then I take the fat out, and then I cut it up, cut all the fat off. And now that I have my chicken inside my crock pot, and it on high, now I'm going to be cutting up my onion, add that in, shred and cut up my carrots, and then cut up my celery. I will show you guys everything I do next. Directly half. Here's my carrots, so I'm going to peel them and chop them up and then add them in, and I will show you guys when I'm done. I'm gonna do my celery. Here is a bag of scraps. We compost. So minced garlic. So I'm gonna add 2 spoons. So I'm gonna add in my bay leaves. Put in my chicken bouillon. I'm gonna add 2 for now. If I need more, I'll add in another one. Here is the 2 bouillon cubes. I am now going to be adding in 8 to 9 cups of chicken broth. I use low sodium chicken broth. You can use whatever chicken broths you like. And then now you're going to stir everything around, cover it. It's on high for 3 to 4 hours, and I will keep you guys posted. Now I'm gonna cover it like I said. I have my egg noodles here about to boil, and then once they start boiling, I will cook them for 7 to 9 minutes. My soup is done, well, kind of. I'm going to be taking out the big pieces of chicken, shredding them up, and taking out my bay leaves as well. When the noodles are done, I will be adding them in here with the chicken, and then letting it cook for a remainder of 5 minutes on high. Now I stirred everything together. I will cover it and let it cook for a remaining of 5 minutes. Hey guys, my Zero and Jack up there with my coffee. I forgot to put an ending outro for my video about my soup. The camera was too heavy for me, but the soup came out so good. Everybody ate it. The broth was so nice and soothing for my throat. I didn't record me eating it because the camera was heavy and the light was hurting my eyes, so I couldn't. If you didn't like the video on the way in, make sure you like it on the way out. And you can share this recipe with anyone you think that would enjoy this healthy chicken noodle soup, especially now, like we're in the middle of flu season right now. I know after the holidays, people will get sick because, you know, everybody's meeting up for Thanksgiving and stuff. So yeah, so share this video out for anyone that loves to eat different kinds of soups or chicken soups. And always, always, always be good people, make good choices, and always remember that nobody loves you like you love you and like God loves you. Bye.